No! Mga pinutawad, kuya kamay. No!
Wilson sinamana, alam mo ng iso, sana gano'y buhay. Mag-inig lang, luya ka ng magiging sa malyulo. Di ka masisingin sa dagat ang mundo, sa sihoy at sa lupay na nagigiling. Ang bituin at nangailan, ang may inangwal, halika sila, kulay langit sa piling. Langit ang mga kainan dahil sa'yo.
Mga pinutawad, baba kamay. No! No!
Isang na may dangal, katarungan at kalayaan na pinakikilos ng sambilang makadiyos, makatao, makakalikasan at makabansa. Panata sa bagong Pilipinas. Bilang Pilipino, buong pagmamalaki kong isa sa buhay, dakila, magiting at may dangal. Palaging dalhin sa puso, isip at diwa ang aking pagmamahal sa kultura. Ang pandaigdigang pamantayan. Maging instrumento ako sa pagsulong ng kagalingan, karunungan at kapayapaan. Nakiisa at nakikilahok ako sa mga adhikaing mga pamahalaan dahil ang kaunlaran ay hindi lamang mamahala, pakialam at malasakit. Hindi makasarili, kundi para sa mas nakakarami. Tatakin ko ang landas.
Pakmay! No!
Salmo 91 na awit ng pagtitiwala sa Diyos. Siyang naghahangad ng pagkukutakot at nagtiyak mo hindi ka manganib. Ika'y namamasida sa kanunod, iyong mamasdan, iyong ang pinili mo mag-iingat sa ikatrasadan. Di mo abuting ika'y makaamakati. At iingatan ko ang sinumang tao ikilangan. Pag sila'y tumawag, laging handa ako na sila'y pakinggan. Aking sasamahan at kung ngayon ay sasakluluan. Aking ililigtas ang bawat isa'y paranawagan. Sila'y bibigyan ko ng gantimpalaan na mahabang buhay at natitiyak ang katamuhin nila ikaligtasan. Amen.
Deportive, OS Philippine Army, 18th November. Private Meltzer A. Lamquas Jr., Infantry Philippine Army, 20th November. Rai S. Civilio, Infantry Philippine Army, 24th November. Staff Sergeant Edwin P. Napolito, Infantry Philippine Army, 24th November. T. Morzan, Infantry Philippine Army, 25th November. Sergeant Bonnie M. Toliao, Infantry Philippine Army, 25th November. Technical Sergeant Ginter T. Perolina, AGS Philippine Army, 26th November. Corporal Marvin A. Robin, Military Intelligence Infantry Philippine Army, 30th November. Once again, happy birthday.
I'm ready, happy birthday, happy birthday. Maligayang mahi sa'yo'y dalawa. Happy birthday to you.
Ang pararangalan. Kumarap at kumagitna.
Meritorious and invaluable service rendered to 57th Infantry Masikat Battalion, 6th Infantry Campilan Division, Philippine Army, from 14th June to 17th November, that immensely contributed to the accomplishment of the unit's mission. Given the 17th day of November 2025 at Headquarters 57th Infantry Masikat Battalion, 6th Infantry Campilan Division, Philippine Army, Edwards Camp, Barangay Mirab,
Assisted by our intelligence officer, Captain Marijo F. Pedro, Infantry Philippine Army, and other staff officers. To give the award to the deserving personnel.
Lack and Appreciate Aratok D. Lumandal, 812784, Infantry, Philippine Army.
So, 27 years. 27 years. 7 months, 21 days.
Award of Letter of Commendation. Headquarters 57th Infantry Masikat Battalion, 6th Infantry Campilan Division, Philippine Army, Edwards Camp, Barangay Mirab, Gopi, Maguindanao del Norte. Letter of Commendation. It is with great pride and honor to commend you for your remarkable dedication and hard work as members of 57th Infantry Masikat Battalion, 6th Infantry Campilan Division, Philippine Army during the successful presentation of small arms and light weapons or SALW to Major General Donald M. Ramirez, Philippine Army, Commander Western Mindanao Command on 6 November 2025, held at Municipal Gymnasium, Upi, Maguindanao del Norte. Letter of Infantry, Philippine Army. Same letter of commendation is hereby awarded to Sergeant Bernard A. Fabel, Infantry, Philippine Army.
That's funny.
Same letter of commendation is hereby awarded to Corporal Renny L. Yamida Jr., Signal Corps, Philippine Army.
Yes.
Rewarding.
Tap sa kanan. Drop. Sulong. Kad.
And we are very grateful, no? And we are very lucky because we are Colonel Dennis Clarin, sir. Thank you for covering yung flag raising namin, sir. Morning po, sir. Of course, I would like also to greet and recognize yung mga officers natin na nandito ngayon, no? Yung staff officers natin, headed by our S3. Of course, yung ating headquarters commandant, yung S1 natin, si Lieutenant Ibyang Titeria. Si our SM, Sergeant Major, Mr. Sergeant Lorenzo.
Ikas.
So, today is greet you, Happy New Year, and ngayon, malapit na ang mag-year end. And alam ko na, sabi nga nila, happy wives, happy love. At any rate, no? So, I have only 3 points, no, sa aking message for today's graduation. So, una is I would like to express yung Magiran, and of course, kasama rin yung ating brigade commander, si Brigadier General Michael Estando. So, yung activity na to is naging successful siya because of the cooperation, no? Yung pagtutulungan ng bawat masikap troopers, no? Yung ating mga sarili. And in line with this, kaya nakita natin, no, we have give rewards, no, we recognize yung ating mga troops, deserving troops by giving them letter of commendation, no. Okay. And secondly, I would like also to thank, no, and express my my warmest congratulations kay Master Sergeant Lumanda, no, Staff Sergeant Aratok Lumanda, no, 57 ID. So in behalf of 57 ID, no, we would like to thank you, no, sa lahat ng servisyo mo, no, sa lahat ng you showed your passion and happiness. And again, good luck into your next chapter of your journey, no. And sana wag kang magsawa na magtulong, no, and mag-mentor sa ating mga junior. So 57 IB is very okay for you. Staff Sergeant Rolanda. and our own cell phones, TV, no? Nakikita natin kung ano yung nangyayari ngayon. And this is triggered and sparked by the massive issue of corruption, no? And with that, no, the 57th Infantry Masikap Battalion with the Masikap Troopers, no, stand in full solidarity with the Armed Forces of the Philippines in upholding the constitutional order, preserving the national stability, and protecting the sacred freedoms of the Filipino people. So we echo the AFP's unwavering commitment to professionalism, discipline, and respect for civilian authority. So, focus lang tayo sa ating trabaho, no? Let's channel yung energy natin on how to fulfill yung mandated task natin, no? Iwasan nat, no? So, let's uphold the rule of law, and let's follow the chain of command. So, together with courage and clear purpose, no, we will continue to serve our area of operation. Focus lang tayo sa ating trabaho, no? Again, thank you and good luck, Master. And mabuhay ang 57 IB, mabuhay ang Philippine Army, mabuhay tayong lahat. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Ay! Ha!
Yang mga mandirmang masikap bawat ay matatawaran. Tungkol sa sikuyan ng mga yan, aming lakas palagay kabiyak. Ihawang galit sa lalan, siyang mga sulok pakarating, magmanid susuguin. 17 Infantry, ang buhay kung kailangan. Anong masikap kung tawagin ko ito? May ang Panginoon. Lalo man kahirap ang misyon, mandiri ba masikap tutuwa? At matiguitan, buhay falta, kapayapaan.
That concludes this morning flag raising ceremony.
Mantap! Mga pinang pulutong, munuan ng pulutong.
Okay, kumain.